Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the second video in a two-part series of decorating my home for Christmas. If you watched my last one, you'll know that I decorated my bedroom and my kitchen. I made like a coffee bar and I decorated my dining room table, trying to just make everything look really cozy and festive. And in this video, I'm going to be doing my living room and entryway and front porch. I've been scouring the internet and going through magazines just trying to get some really fun ideas for you guys, and I did spend a little bit of money on Christmas this year. Usually I pull out I will be using what I already have too, but usually I just pull out everything I have and just make it work. But this year I did invest a little bit of money into making my home a really festive place. But now that Marcus is getting older, I'm really excited to make Christmas feel like a really fun Christmas for him. Anyway, so let's get into decorating. I got this really pretty hearth and hand wreath. It was the first one that I really ever liked. I don't know, I kind of like the simplicity of it, but I'm gonna put it on my door frame. However, and it has bells. My window here won't let like a regular wreath hanger work, so I'm just going to take some ribbon and make a loop around the wreath and then hammer both ends into the center of the doorpost because it's a wood door underneath the metal frame. My mom hand painted this joy sign a couple years ago and she gave it to me. She did a really good job. And I got this basket. I'm going to leave the tag on it because I want to go to Home Goods and see if they have something comparable that's cheaper, because this was a little more than I wanted to spend. But I do want something for right here in this corner. I'm going to put the sign in right here. Can't decide if I want to put like a poinsettia plant here or like a little Christmas tree. Probably a poinsettia plant. And then over here I have something really fun planned. So I got both of these lanterns from IKEA. They're a really great price. They're better than I've ever seen lanterns before. I think that one was 10 or less and this one was 15, which is really good. All I'm going to do to Christmas them up are add these little ornaments that I got from Target and just put them around. I had these and I'm going to see if I want to mix sizes and make it look like that. Probably, I think it'll look good. So I'm just going to throw them all around the lanterns. I just took out my fall stuff and I've kind of rearranged a little bit. I'm going to bring in some red to make it a little bit more Christmassy. I have this little candle that I've had forever from Anthropologie, and then these red pears that I've had also forever. I think I got them at Pier 1 when I used to work there. Anyway, so I'm just going to put them around to sort of brighten things up. And then what I have that I'm excited to make it look really festive are my neighbor let me cut down some of her spruce tree. I think you call it a spruce tree, or is it a fir? I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to put this all along the back here and it's going to look really, really festive. Smells like real pine. It's so yummy. But the last thing I want you to do is put some twinkle lights on my fig tree right here, and I think it'll look really, really cute. And the nice thing about this is from the Target dollar section for $3, and it has a battery pack right here, which I have batteries for. so it's really nice that they'll be just on all the time. So I'm gonna switch out my fall decor here for some more wintry stuff. Okay. I've had this wreath forever, and then this is just a candle that I've had up on my mantle or on my console table, and they just work perfectly together, so I always do that every year. And hopefully this one won't touch it. Oh, she's walking so fast. She's like, I don't want the pumpkin. I don't want what you say I can have. And the same thing I did over on the console table. I'm just gonna put some neighbor branches on across the TV. Just kind of playing with them until I'm happy with what they look like. Although Daniel might not be happy because he hates it when I put anything in front of the TV. But he lets me keep it for the most part. So the last thing I did, and I guess I should have filmed this, but my mom had some wire and I had a lot of those branches left over, so I just wired them together in a wreath over the mirror here and just tied it with a black ribbon. It's not perfect, but it looks really nice. Okay, let's put everything away before something gets broken. Really quick before I wrap it up, I just wanted to point out that there's no tree in either of these videos, and that's because every year as a family we go out to this really amazing farm where you can ride a hayride out to their Christmas tree area and cut down your own, pick out whatever one you want. Then they haul it back and they have s'mores and hot cider and all of that stuff in a barn, so we love doing that, but the only thing is you have to wait until after Thanksgiving to actually do that. So that is why there is no tree, but we are going to get one, and I'll probably show you guys when we decorate that as well. So here is the overview of the whole living room. I want to get a candle for over there, and then some sort of Christmassy thing right there. There's the dining room all set up, and then over here is the TV. I just wanted to point out that on the fig tree, I just wrapped it around the base starting down there so that the batteries could hide down there. And then instead of wrapping it around the top part, and the kids are having fun, instead of wrapping it around the top part, I just zigzagged up the front, making sure that the lights showed on the outside of the leaves, just so there would be more lights. Because they are pretty short strands, but they're only $3, so they're completely worth it. It looks really nice. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you are as excited for Christmas as I am. My family just loves Christmas, so I'm really excited that now that Marcus is 2, he's going to be enjoying it a little bit more, and yeah, it's just gonna be really fun. If you guys are new to my channel, please make sure you are subscribed and hit that like button if you want to see more home-inspired videos like this, and I will be sure to make more. Thank you again so much for watching. You guys are amazing subscribers, and I really appreciate every single one of you. I hope you all have a wonderful holiday season, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.